Hello, family. My name is Professor Singer, and I teach invention courses at the online school known as Tharaka Invention Academy. Hello, I'm Professor Singer. Welcome to our lecture on Introduction to Creativity. Today, we will delve into what creativity is, especially in the context of problem solving and innovation, and understand how it is distinct from the concept of innovation itself. By the end of this session, you'll have a clearer perspective on how to harness creativity to fuel innovative thinking. Creativity is often defined as the ability to generate new and original ideas, solutions, or approaches that are both valuable and useful. But it's more than just an ability. It's a process of seeing the world with fresh eyes, questioning the old ways, and daring to imagine the unimagined. Think about creativity as the spark that ignites when you encounter a common problem but approach it from an uncommon angle. This could be something as simple as using a binder clip as a cable organizer, or as complex as developing a new algorithm to solve a data problem more efficiently. In the realm of problem solving, creativity is not about finding an immediate solution but about identifying and formulating the problem in a way that allows for innovative approaches. It involves breaking down barriers and thinking beyond the traditional paths. For instance, when faced with slow traffic in urban areas, instead of just thinking about widening roads, creative problem solving might lead to the development of a multi-tier transportation system that uses vertical space, a solution that's both creative and impactful. Now, let's bridge creativity with innovation. Innovation starts with creative ideas. These are the seeds that can grow into new products, services, or methodologies. While creativity is about generating these seeds, innovation is the process of nurturing and growing them into something tangible and practical. Consider the invention of the smartphone. The initial creative idea was to combine the functionality of a phone and a computer. The innovation process involved developing the first smartphones, refining them, and eventually transforming the way we communicate, work, and play. So, what is the primary difference between creativity and innovation? Creativity is about brainstorming new ideas, divergent thinking that explores many possible solutions. Innovation, however, is about convergent thinking, selecting the best ideas from those possibilities and turning them into real-world solutions. A creative mind might dream up 100 variations of a new product, like a foldable car. However, innovation will determine which of these designs is feasible, marketable, and usable, then actually produce and bring this car to the market. To engage your own creativity, start by changing your daily routines. Take a new route to work, try cooking a new recipe without instructions, or brainstorm solutions to a common problem with friends or colleagues. These activities kickstart your brain into thinking differently. Remember, creativity is a skill that can be developed. The more you practice being creative, the more naturally it will come to you, and the more innovative your outcomes will be. In summary, creativity is the art of coming up with innovative ideas and viewing challenges through a new lens. It's about generating possibilities and exploring them without constraints. Innovation is the step that follows. It's about making these ideas a reality. By cultivating a creative mindset, you pave the way for innovation and transformative changes in your field. Keep exploring, keep inventing, and watch as your ideas grow into innovations that can change the world. Thank you for joining this session on creativity. I encourage you to practice thinking creatively every day and to always be on the lookout for ways to apply your creativity in real-world situations. See you in the next lecture, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Let me share with you an historical perspectives on creativity. Historical perspectives on creativity. Welcome to our lecture on historical perspectives on creativity. Today, we'll explore how cultures around the world, including both Western civilizations and those of the global South, have contributed to the evolution of creative thought throughout history. Creativity in ancient civilizations. Creativity has ancient roots across the world. In ancient Egypt, creativity was seen as a divine gift from the gods, particularly from Thoth, the deity of wisdom and writing, inspiring the construction of pyramids and medical advancements. In ancient China, the harmony with the Tao in Taoism and the moral virtues in Confucianism guided creativity, leading to inventions like paper and the compass. Similarly, India's Sanskrit literature and the arts explored creativity through concepts like rasa, enhancing emotional expression in the arts. Indigenous and traditional creativity. In the Americas, the Maya civilization's creativity was evident in their calendar system and architecture. The Inca Empire showcased its ingenuity in agriculture and engineering with terraces and roads adapted to the Andes Mountains. In Africa, the Kingdom of Ife and the ancient city of Great Zimbabwe were centers of artistic and architectural creativity, with the Benin Kingdom's bronzes narrating the history and culture of the Edo people. Classical thoughts on creativity. In ancient Greece, creativity was a gift from the Muses, inspiring philosophers like Plato and Aristotle to debate its origins, divine madness, or skill to be developed. The Romans continued this legacy, applying creativity in practical engineering feats like aqueducts and roads. During the Islamic Golden Age, scholars like Al-Khwarizmi and Al-Hazen developed foundational concepts in algebra and optics, while artisans created intricate calligraphy and tilework, reflecting the divine order. Medieval and Renaissance creativity. The Middle Ages saw creativity in various forms. Timbuktu, in Mali, was a beacon of learning and the arts. In Europe, the Renaissance revived creativity through humanism, with Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo exemplifying the Renaissance man. In the Americas, the Aztecs and Incas developed creative solutions for agricultural and urban challenges, while the intricate weaving and metalwork of indigenous peoples demonstrated sophisticated artistic creativity. Enlightenment and global influence. The Enlightenment emphasized reason and scientific exploration, with figures like Newton and Kant exploring creativity in science and philosophy. Meanwhile, in Asia, the Edo period in Japan fostered a flourishing of arts under a structured societal system, blending traditional and innovative art forms. In Africa, the Ashanti Empire was known for its gold crafts and Kent cloth, each a symbol of creativity and cultural identity. In Latin America, the Baroque period saw a fusion of indigenous and European styles, creating unique artistic expressions in architecture and the arts. 19th and 20th century innovations. In the 19th century, the Romantic movement, with poets like William Blake, emphasized emotion and individualism in creativity. This period also saw the rise of Gothic Revival architecture, reflecting a creative blend of medieval and modern designs. The 20th century brought a scientific approach to creativity, with psychologists like J.P. Guilford and E. Paul Torrance studying it as a cognitive process. Simultaneously, in the Global South, figures like Oscar Niemeyer in Brazil revolutionized architecture with innovative designs that harmonized with the natural landscape. Contemporary global creativity. Today, creativity is recognized as a global phenomenon, with contributions from all cultures shaping our world. From the technological innovations of Silicon Valley to the vibrant Bollywood film industry in India and the dynamic fashion and art scenes across Africa, creativity knows no bounds. The UNESCO Creative Cities Network now connects cities around the world, promoting the exchange of creative ideas in literature, music, crafts, and folk arts, illustrating the interconnectedness of our creative endeavors. In conclusion, creativity is a universal language that transcends time, geography, and culture. From the pyramids of Egypt to the mathematical ingenuity of Islamic scholars, from the artistic expressions of the Renaissance to the innovative architectures of the Global South, creativity bridges the past with the future and the local with the global. I'm Professor Singer from Tharaka Invention Academy, and I want to thank you for joining us in this exploration of the historical perspectives on creativity. As we continue to innovate and face new challenges, let us draw inspiration from these rich traditions and carry the legacy of creativity into the future. See you in the next lecture.